Some users might be looking for a carpet cleaner that has several versatile attachments, an easy maintenance process, and enough power to tackle nearly any job. The Hoover Smartwash automatic carpet cleaner is my choice as the best carpet cleaner for most people in 2022. Not everyone requires premium features, and the Hoover Smartwash automatic carpet cleaner comes with a wide cleaning path for more efficient cleaning, an intuitive assembly process, and high-quality performance that's well-suited for any household task, which makes it ideal for almost anyone. While it's not the lightest option available, the built-in wheels make it easy to maneuver. You get a user-friendly assembly process, a long 22-foot power cord, and a low-profile build to fit underneath furniture. I like that it has a triggerless handle, so you don't need to constantly hold a button. The removable nozzle allows you to easily maintain the brushes, and the dirty water tank has a large opening for deep cleaning. Like the previously mentioned Power Dash, it utilizes a dual-tank water system that offers a half-gallon dirty water tank, but it has a bigger 1-gallon clean water tank that's suitable for larger apartments. You get a 12.75-inch cleaning head to efficiently cover more ground. It utilizes automatic motion sensing technology that dispenses cleaning solution when pushed forward and reverts to a drying mode when pushed backward, but it lacks a quiet clean mode. Unlike the other options on this list, it has an auto mix feature that automatically dispenses an appropriate amount of solution depending on the task. The Flex Force power brushes are effective at removing most dirt and stubborn stains from carpets or upholstery. You also get several attachments for various applications, including a 12-foot hose and an antimicrobial pet tool to remove pet stains. The Hoover Smartwash doesn't offer the same cleaning power as the Bissell Big Green, but it's more than enough for any household task and offers a convenient auto mix feature to optimize results. I would recommend this if you're looking for a carpet cleaner that can handle larger jobs, offers excellent versatility, and can fit underneath most obstacles. Links to updated pricing on all products mentioned in the video are in the description below. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.